If you have been sending out proposals on Upwork and hearing nothing but crickets, or if you are wondering why you're not receiving any invitations even though your profile is over a year old, then you're in the right place. Oh, and have you heard how costly Upwork connections can be? Don't worry, I've got some tips on that too. I'm Colette, and I have earned over $1 million freelancing on Upwork. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to either start or restart your Upwork career so that you can land your first job within the first few weeks, even under maximum 10 proposals. Before we dive into all that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video to support more content like this. Let's get started. First, let's set the stage with a quick reality check and some motivation. Upwork in 2025 is huge. There are over 18 million freelancers registered, and clients posted more than 2.5 million jobs in 2024 alone. Businesses from one-person startup to Fortune 500 companies are all here looking for talent. That means opportunity, but also competition. With millions of freelancers in the marketplace, it can feel like a packed bazaar where everyone is shouting for attention. Imagine Upwork as this bustling marketplace. Clients are like shoppers strolling through dozens of booths. Your profile is your shopfront, and your proposal is a friendly shopkeeper's pitch to a passing customer. If your shop is just like all others, or if your pitch is dull or generic, the shoppers will just walk by. We don't want that. We want them to stop and say, this looks interesting. The strategy we are about to share will make your booth the one that stops the clients in their tracks. Many freelancers make a profile and send a couple of proposals over a few months, then disappear from freelancing. They return when they hear someone's success story about earning big, inspiring to try again. But I've noticed about 70% of these folks don't succeed. Why? Because let me tell you, it's like opening a shop in a marketplace and only showing up one day a month. You don't build trust or recognition that way. It's the same with Upwork. If your profile has been inactive or dead for a long time, here's some critical tips. Consider starting fresh with a new profile. This might sound drastic, but sometimes creating a new profile can give you a new shop advantage, attracting more initial visits. You might even use a different ID, perhaps from a relative or close connection, for profile creation. This fresh start can lead to what I call the honeymoon period, where Upwork boosts new profiles, giving you a noticeable advantage. Once you have your new profile, you need to optimize it. Don't just be a generic graphic designer, be specific. Target a niche like the financial industry. Understand their specific needs. Address those in your profile and attach a portfolio that directly relates to this niche. When it comes to proposals, don't apply to every job. Be selective. Use your niche to guide your job search. For instance, if you are a graphic designer, search for graphic designer in the financial industry. This refined approach will show you fewer, more targeted job posts, increasing your chances of success and reducing your expenditure in connects. So, what are you waiting for? Implement these strategies and kickstart your freelance career on Upwork. Don't forget to check out the guides on Upwork profile optimization and proposal writing linked in the description and the pinned comment below. Plus, if you want direct support, join my Facebook group through the link below to ask questions and engage with a community of fellow freelancers. That's it for today's straightforward, actionable advice for making it on Upwork in 2025. Implement these tips and you will see the doors start to open. Share your journey with us in the comments or in Facebook group. And hey, I've just reviewed a fantastic AI proposal writing tool. Curious? The link is in the description. It might just be a game changer you need. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success on Upwork. Until next time, be freelantastic.